Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful tool for web application penetration testing, FFUF. It's a lightning-fast web fuzzer that comes pre-installed on Kali Linux. We'll explore its basic usage, advanced techniques, and real-world applications. So let's get started. FFUF stands for Fast Web Fuzzer. It's designed to efficiently discover hidden directories, files, and parameters within web applications. FFUF primarily focuses on three main areas: directory discovery. It can automatically check for hidden directories and files on a website, virtual host discovery. It can identify potential subdomains or virtual hosts, parameter fuzzing. You can test different values for GET and post parameters to find vulnerabilities. It's incredibly versatile and can handle a wide range of tasks. Think of it as a supercharged directory brute forcer with steroids. Let's start with a simple example. We'll try to find hidden directories on a target website. As you can see, FFUF quickly tests each directory and displays the results. We can filter based on status codes, response times, or even content using various options. FFUF provides detailed output. You'll see information about the request, response status code, content length, and other relevant data. Look for specific status codes like 200, 301, 403, or unusual response sizes to identify potential issues. Let's see FFUF in action. We'll try to find hidden directories on a vulnerable web application. Look for interesting responses that might indicate vulnerabilities. FFUF is an incredibly powerful tool for web application testing. It can save you time and effort in finding vulnerabilities. Remember to use it ethically and responsibly. Keep practicing and experimenting with different techniques to become a pro at using FFUF. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.